G'day. I thought I would today just show you a little bit more of my garden and what I'm trying to do here. It's very dry here at the moment, and as you can see, my ground is very hard and rocky. So what I'm doing is trying to build up the soil by sheet mulching. Yeah, over here we have some grapes. I actually chopped them off at the bottom here. I don't know if you can see. Last year, but they just grew back again. And I've got baby grapes. Coming on here. So here I chopped it right back, right to the bottom. But I've got some new baby grapes. It's very overcast, so I'm not sure how clear this is going to come out. Over here we've got a few more. Okay, so have a little walk over here. Here I'm planting some pigeon pea. This is a nitrogen fixer, and also it will be used as chop and drop. And I have a few of them along there. And this is my lychee tree. Am I getting in? Yeah, it's about there now. We had a very bad cyclone here a few years ago and damaged a lot of trees. See Panama berry here. You can see that bit along the floor, that was actually the trunk that was standing up. Now it's laying down. This one here just about died, but leaves come on it, so I keep it just to provide a bit of shade. And here I have little baby custard apples. How cute! They are so cute. Little baby ones. So there's another one just here. Somewhere. Don't know if you can see it. There he is, look. Little baby one. Yeah. I cut that right back, and all that is new growth from this year. And kind of junk. And compost bins, etc. Yeah, I've got along here, I've got some stuff that needs going through. Some of it's died and dying and on its way out. But I'll fix that up. Sorry about the traffic noise if you can hear it out on the road. We've got a lot of birds chirping. That's nice. Oh, let's see if we can catch. Oh, here's one. See, beautiful colours. I don't know if you can see him on the tree. Oh, he's just gone behind the branch. He's green. He's got orange and. He's walking along there. Oh, look, the one in the tree. I wish I had a zoom. Got no idea if you can actually see them. And this is a loquat. We had bad flooding last year, the heaviest monsoon for 100 years, and it took a bit of a beating, but I'll leave it. I'll see if it comes back or not. Some loquat, no, not canistel over there. Oh, the birds all went off flying. Well, let's walk up here. I'm not sure if this will drop out if I go too far away from the house, so. Yeah, I've got some bamboo up the back, some black sapote. This is a kaffir lime. We've got some Panama berries. Strawberry tree. And here we have little pawpaw growing. Yeah, there we go. Okay. In this pot, once they're ready, I'm going to grow some sweet potatoes, put some slips in there. Up there. Okay, until next time. Yeah. Have a great day. Bye-bye.